B. Jain Group's foundation was laid in 1966 when Mr. P.N. Jain, a typist who used to type homeopathic teachers' notes in his extra time, also started typing out of copyright homeopathic books during nights to make a little extra money for his family. His books were not only as good as the original American ones, but were also available at incredibly low prices. This was sure to bring a homeopathic revolution in India. Mr. Jain's day-night efforts and the support of his wife, Mrs. Bimla Jain, soon took the form of B. Jain Publishing Company. The industry supported Mr. Jain with full swing as it recognized his intentions and capabilities. Working closely with the senior-most doctors of the field, B. Jain started publishing more and more books, crossing the mark of 100 titles in just 4 years. Since then, Mr. Kuldeep Jain, son of Dr. P.N. Jain, joined the group in 1976. His vision gave a new direction to the group. He proactively exposed the group's Indian publications to various fora on one hand, while acquiring new international publications on the other. Mr. Jain noted that there was a demand for good quality remedies and started a new project to create a homeopathic medicine production plant in Kushkera, Rajasthan, with the collaboration of teachers and homeopathic medical experts in the field. B. Jain decided to concentrate on quality. In the first year of production itself, the company kept high standards of quality and thus acquired both Indian and Canadian GMPs. GMP, or Good Manufacturing Practices, is an internationally recognized comprehensive benchmark for quality assurance in medicine production. It covers everything from architecture, machines, raw materials, procedures, to training. B. Jain has taken special care to have the entire plant constructed as per GMP norms. Strict cleanliness and access control is maintained in the sections where medicines are prepared. The entire plant is centrally air-conditioned. All entrances to the plant have air curtains. An integrated facilities management room, accessible separately, caters to the electricity and air conditioning needs of the unit. This ensures that repair and service cover can be provided to the unit without entering the production section. This considerably reduces the risk of contamination. The water used in the plant is sourced from its in-house RO-cum-demineralization unit. Following the GMP standards in letter and spirit, raw materials, whether plant, animal, or chemical-based, are all obtained from trustworthy sources. Herbs are procured from original sources located wherever ideal agroclimatic conditions can be found. Before the actual medicine production starts, the herbs have to go through the quality control section. The section conducts detailed standardization tests on them to identify and isolate adulterants. These tests include organoleptic studies, macroscopic, microscopic observation, and TLC. It has been observed that there are many cheap, spurious herbs available in the markets that look very similar to the actual herb. After acceptance, the herbs are cleaned and sent for maceration or percolation, depending on the class to which the herb belongs. The maceration is carried out for 21 days with regular stirring and record maintenance of all the steps to enable back tracing whenever required. The macerated constituents are then subjected to hydraulic pressure, which helps in extraction of maximum phytochemicals from the solids. The obtained mixture is then passed through a 9-layer filtration process. The resulting liquid is then aged to produce a high-quality mother tincture. Aging involves keeping the liquid unstirred and unmoved for days. One more filtration and the mother tincture is ready. This mother tincture is the base of all medicines prepared using the herb, but it has to once again pass through quality checks before it is ready for use in medicines. The finished mother tincture is then tested for the TLC, total solids to ensure that all alkaloids are extracted properly, pH, percentage of alcohol, microbiological testing, weight per milliliter, and UV spectrophotometer analysis. The results are matched with the various international standards. In cases where no standards are present or the standards are outdated, B. Jain is developing its own in-house standards, which can then work as future references to assure consistent quality time and again. The mother tincture thus prepared is then sent to the dilution section for potentizing. The plant uses the most advanced K-tronic potentizer made by Belgium-based Lobotics Corporation. This potentizer is more accurate than any other potentizer made so far. To maintain its high accuracy of 99.6%, it is calibrated every 6 months by the parent company. All dilutions are done with highly purified grain-based extra-neutral alcohol. It is the passion and attention to detail behind this plant that makes every medicine coming out of it special. B. Jain has launched 41 biochemic and biocombinations, 200 mother tinctures, 250 dilutions, and many other specialty products. In the first year of its launch, many more are being added every year. Thanks to the quality of medicines, B. Jain entered the international market within a year of going into production. Today, B. Jain medicines are available in Canada and the United States, and will soon be launched in the rest of Asia and South America. This high-quality plant is B. Jain's gift to the homeopathic fraternity B. Jain has been a part of for more than 40 years. Dr. P.N. Jain had dreamt to make homeopathy a household name in India, and B. Jain is working towards making his dream a reality.